Do you want your child to spend the summer learning new skills, building confidence, making friends and having fun, all in an exciting international environment? Hello, I'm Rebecca Dugganay. I'm delighted to welcome you to BSB Summer School 2026. This summer we've created a fantastic programme full of creativity, adventure and hands-on learning. Children will have the opportunity to write and illustrate their own book, develop their spoken English and take part in exciting activities such as pool climbing, arts and crafts, cooking, team games and much more. All activities are led by teachers with vast experience in the British educational system, creating a safe, supportive and inspiring environment for every child. Whether your child wants to explore new passions, improve their English or simply enjoy an unforgettable summer experience, BSB Summer School is the perfect place to be. Places are limited, so register now using the link below. We can't wait to welcome you to our beautiful campus this summer.